What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Dividend Team. So today I want to talk about $100 new investors can buy to get monthly dividends. So, but if you're new, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. And make sure at the end of this video, leave a comment. So if you're a new investor, maybe starting out, have $100, and you just want to get your dividend portfolio started. So today I'm going to share with you a few stocks that's under $100 that you can get into and help grow that portfolio. So first we have O, Realty Income, dividend yield 4.6, market cap 22.7. So pretty good one right here, I think. Real estate investment company, another one, dependable monthly cash dividends for consistent cash flow. So pretty good one, pretty solid one. Actually, I used to own this one. I know I sold it, but they were definitely a good stock to own. Let's talk about another one. This one I bought up in the past. LTC Properties. That's a good one. Under $100. You can probably get into this one. 5.5 dividend yield. Engagements, managing seniors housing and healthcare properties. So that's a good one. Real quick, get into some more. You got Stack, another 4.5 dividend income. Pretty good monthly income. Focus on acquisition, ownership, and operations, single tenants. Just going through these real quick. Just want to show you a few of them. Here's another one, pretty good price. That's Capital. Dividend yield 8.82. Manages mortgage, real estate investment trust, investing in real estate. Yeah, it's a pretty good one. Yeah. What else we got? Oh yeah, we got Main Street Capital. Another one under $100. 6.7 dividend yield. Focus on providing customized debt and equity finance solutions, lower middle market companies. Headquarters Houston, Texas. So I like this one right here. I think I'm gonna get some more of those. We have Prospect Capital, another cheap one. You buy 9.8 dividend yield. Gauges leading to investing in private business, and yeah. So all the ones I'm showing you, of course, you're gonna do your research, learn more about the company, and I think pretty good company for monthly dividends. And we got, I can show you one or two more. Gladstone Capital, pretty good ones. 8.1 dividend yield. Another one, invest in debt and equity securities. Like I said, make sure you gotta do your research on these. But pretty good dividends. I can show you one more. Vanguard short-term corporate bond ETF, 2.2. The fixed rate corporate bonds and maturity between 1 to 5 years. So yeah, just wanna get on real quick and let's talk about a few monthly dividends. You can you first starting out. There's a good way for new investors to start dividend investing. They are pretty much cheap stocks. I mean, you can kind of get $100 and play around and with these, and it's you're just starting out. And if you think about these, you get your dividends. You can reinvest back into the stock. Compound interest. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think about these stock picks for new investors. Let me know what you guys have. And yeah, I think good way for this to start out with monthly income earners and receive money. But anyway, like I said, if you're new, make sure you like, subscribe, and see you next video.